Installing communications cables between the ICC330 and the reused power system. Install a build-out resistor. Install communications cables between lithium batteries. Install a communications cable between the lithium batteries and the SAU03A. Install a communications cable between the SAU03A and the BC1206A. Install a communications cable between the BC1206A and the SCC800. Install a signal SPD and its ground cable. Connect one end of the conversion cable of the communications cable between the SCC800 and the PMU in the reused power system to the COM2 port on the SCC800. Cut a cable hole in the cabinet. Connect one end of the signal extension cable delivered with the signal SPD to the conversion cable. Connect the cord end terminal at the other end of the extension cable to the in port on the signal SPD. Install a communications cable between the signal SPD and the PMU.